Hello, this is my suya spice that I'm making. I'm gonna be making it with my authentic suya spice, very authentic. You can see I'm gonna sprinkle it all over the suya spice to give this suya the taste and the beautiful color. Very spicy and tasteful. So I have to mix it together to bring out the taste. Okay, I keep on mixing until it blends to bring the taste out of the soya. It's very, when I finish making it, in fact, if you taste it, you would like to eat more of my suya. It's very lovely, very nice. So I'm still gonna put some portion of it. You can see, very authentic suya. This suya sauce, you can use it for other to eat other stuff, not only for making suya. You can use it to grate your chicken, fish, any of this. It works for it. You see, this is how I'm gonna keep on mixing it to make it look good and to bring out the taste and the color. Okay, so you can order from us. We ship anywhere in the US. You can order from us from our email address and our phone number. Yeah, and it's sold at affordable price, very cheap. Like one of this one is sold at $30, just chicken money. It's very reasonable. So please patronize us. Thank you so much for watching.